Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll talk very briefly on behalf of NASA. And the position is this, that we honored the invitation from the chair of the IEBC, where he wrote to our party, our coalition, saying that he would like to meet with the presidential candidate with one or two other or three people accompanying the presidential candidate. We arrived here at about 11:15. We have been in the IEBC. Our presidential candidate, Honorable Raila Odinga, is here. His running mate, Honorable Kalonzo, is here. And we did not see the presidential candidate from Jubilee. Neither did we see the running mate. So we are of the view that the IEBC was not quite ready for this meeting, and they have given us a document that we are seeing for the first time. So our view is that a lot more needs to be done where all parties can be brought to the table to discuss the way forward in these elections. That's all I want to say for now. We are seeing it for the first time. We have not read it in detail. It's about 8 pages or 9 pages of a document. So it is only fair that we go back, look at this document, and if he knew he was going to give us a document, I think the IEBC should have had the courtesy of giving the document much earlier, and then say the basis of our discussion shall be this, because we also have a lot of issues we have been raising with the IEBC. No, we have not gone into that discussion, so we are leaving that as something to be taken up differently. But I want to assure you that as NASA, we are ready to have a structured meeting where all the cards are on the table. We are ready to put our cards on the table.
And what are some of the issues? Deputy President, we understand that maybe coming and
can't be speculative.
The
meeting was for 11.
We have been here from earlier, about 11. The presidential candidate, Honorable Raila, has been here.
He cannot wait.
So that does not look like a serious situation.
Thank you.
And I cannot speak for them.
How soon are you willing to engage with the IEBC?
We shall communicate to the IEBC.
Thank you.
The issues that are
It's okay.
we saw the letter that you sent to IEBC. Just run us through the issues that you
No, please.
I would want to plead with you that on this one, we have been open. We have actually laid some of the issues we want addressed out there. We have seen a document from them for the first time. We want to go and cross-check and counter-check based on what they have written in their document and see whether the concerns we have had and Kenyans have had have been addressed. Thank you.
Thank you so much.